Hello viewers, welcome to Cooking For You. Are you looking for the best dal recipe ever? So here's the South India's best Toor dal fry recipe we are going to head with. So let's go and check out what is the recipe and how to make it. Ready to make dal fry, guys? In a pressure cooker, add lentil, which is also known as Toor dal, add green chilies full, add chopped onions 2 medium size, add chopped tomatoes and add tamarind to it. Now add salt, add turmeric powder, add ginger garlic paste and add water of 2 cups. If you want, you can add coriander powder also. Add oil to it and now mix it well and close it with the lid and put it to the gas for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 3 to 4 whistles, remove the lid and mix it thoroughly with the help of a hand blender. In another pan, take oil, add mustard and cumin seeds to it. When they start popping up, add dry chilies to it. Now this is the aroma where the dal fry exists. Add ginger garlic raw. When our ginger garlic come into a brownish color, add curry leaves to it. Curry leaves are both for good health and aroma. And we are adding our dal to it. Dal which is slightly mixed with a hand blender. Now simmer it for 10 minutes and let it come to boil. Super duper easy dal recipe is almost ready. Now add salt to taste. If you think it's low, add it more. You can see how firmly dal had come to boil. Make sure you stir in the mid because we don't want it to get burnt. Garnish up with some coriander leaves and tada! We are ready with our dal. It was super easy and super cool one, right? You can have this with chapatis, you can have this with rumali, and you can also have this with plain rice. That's gonna taste super. Plain rice, dal fry and a pickle is the greatest combination. Go and try it now and let us know how the taste was in our comments. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.